Hello my gorgeous subbies, I'm back, it's Tomi. So today I'm going to do a video showing you how to create your own Fix Plus setting spray. Again, I ran out of this whilst doing my makeup, and my favourite Fix Plus spray is the MAC Fix Plus Fluid and the Dewy Finish by NYX. So a while back, so a couple of months ago, I ran out of this again, or I forgot mine, and my mate, it was my best mate's engagement party, and she had made her own, she had DIY'd her own Fix Plus, and she sprayed it on my skin, and oh my god, it looked so good, and she sprayed it as well. So I thought I'd recreate it, although there are quite a lot of videos like this on YouTube. I didn't know that back then, and had I known it, then perhaps I would be making my own my own setting spray. So I'm going to show you how to make that today, and I've got a follow-up video of more content for you guys. So I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao! So guys, I'm done making it. It was that quick and easy. I put about, I would say the equivalent to 4 drops, or at least 3 drops of 5 ml of oil into this, and I filled it up. It's nearly full with my Glycerine rose water, and hopefully it should give me the results. I'm going to spray it on now. I don't have any Fix Plus, and hopefully you'll see the dewiness of how it looks. Let me just test that it works well on my skin. Let's do that first. Okay. Sorry, I'm like a sucker for a lot of Fix Plus. I really like, the great thing about this is that it literally smells nice, and most Fix Plus don't smell great actually. The MAC one smells okay, but because of the rose water you can just smell the freshness, and you just, yeah, I feel very fresh right now. I love rose water. So the glycerine and the oil should help. Almond oil has great properties for your skin, and apparently it's perfect for oily skin. You may use argan oil if you wanted to. I believe like coconut oil would be quite thick, but almond oil and argan would be perfect, again because almond oil helps to fight acne, and argan oil isn't that thick, so it's just right in the middle, and it just like creates a nice gloss without penetrating too deep into the skin. So let me know what you guys think, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So I'll catch you in my next one, and take care. Bye.